the average sales price is up, and that's nationally and also in New York City. Not a lot, but very, like 5%, 3% around there, but sustainable. In other words, you know, if you go back and look at 2007 and you look at prior to that, we were going up 10%, double digits, this and that. Well, markets like that go up, but they go down. And so it's been kind of a fairly flat, a little appreciation, kind of a market moving sideways, and it's pretty much like that across the country. However, sales have declined, and part of that is because of very little inventory. And now with these new numbers that you just quoted, inventory is increasing. However, they are coming from such lows that, you know, the increase is not an over amount. I mean, so you'll have more choices if you're a buyer this year, but there's not so much inventory that it's going to flood the market.
Let me ask you about just New Jersey, let's say, or New York City, or California.
New Jersey's fine with me.
Yeah, New Jersey's fine with me.
The salt states.
Yeah, where the state and local tax deduction has been eliminated, basically, for higher end properties. It's not meaningful. Are the bidding wars that we saw a year ago, 2 years ago, as prevalent as they were then, as frothy as they were then, or has the beer gone a little flat?
No, they're not as prevalent. And of course, at an entry level, you'd still have that in the beginning. But no, I really think that, listen, I live in New York, but I'll speak for all the high tax states. Jonathan Miller, who does Douglas Elliman's market report, put it as the new foreigner in Florida is coming from a high tax state, okay, in the East. So I think, you know, there's a line. And I think that last year we didn't really see it because if you recall, you were allowed to take that one-time exemption. You were allowed to do it, file it ahead of time and get one more year.
Right.
So we had an excess of money. So this year is the first year you're actually seeing it. You know, you're going to see the results. And again, I think home ownership, and especially for the next generation of home buyers who are at peak age 29, the millennials, they want to own.